Hi, boys and girls. I'm so glad that you were able to join me today. We are going to be learning how to say every sound in a word. We'll use this mat and some circles, okay? The other day you met my friend, my puppet friend, and he kind of said words funny. He stretched them out, and that's what we're going to do today, okay? It's actually called how to segment words. We'll be saying each of the sounds individually, okay? So my turn. This mat has a big circle, and I'm going to put my blue circles. I have 5 blue circles, okay? We're going to do a lot of different size words. At the bottom of the mat, you can see that there are some boxes, okay? Each box can have one sound in them, okay? I will pull a blue circle down into the box for each sound I hear in the word, okay? Watch me, my turn. The first word is he. He. First, I have to say the word slowly so that I can hear all of the sounds. He. I pull a blue circle down into the box for the sound I hear. E. He. E. He. I didn't need all the circles because there were only 2 sounds in the word that I said. The first sound was and the second sound was E. The word was he. Let's try a couple more while you are just watching, okay? Some of my words might have 3 sounds, some might have 4 sounds. Here's the next word. I'll do this one. Mad. Mad. I have to say it, and then I have to say it slowly. Mad. 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 My word had 3 sounds. The first sound was the middle sound was ah, and the last sound was d. I had to keep the word in my head so I remembered how to say the word, okay? Let me give this one a try. I will do, here's the word, toe, toe, toe. I pull down the circle for the t, and then I pull down the circle for the o, t, o. That's my whole word, toe. It had 2 sounds, okay? Listen to this one. This time, my word might be a little bit longer. Here's the word, smile, smile. See how I slowed my mouth down? I have the word in my head, but I just say it slower. Smile. Kind of like a robot might talk. Here we go. I'm going to move my circles up and pull down 1 circle for every sound. I have to go slowly. Smile. Smile. Smile was my word. It had 4 sounds. What was the first sound you heard in smile? You're right, it was the s. Smile. What was the last sound you heard? Oh, I heard an oh at the end of smile. Very good. I think you're ready to try some of these words with me. We also will do some counting with our fingers with the words too. So I'll show you how to do that. I will move the circles, but you get to answer with me. The first word is me. Say the word slowly with me, or say the word first. Me. Good. Now say it slowly. Me. Say the sounds with me as I pull the circles down. E. That's all I need. How many sounds? Yes, there are 2 sounds in the word me. What was the last sound? You're right, it was E. What was the first sound in the word me? Very good. me. Excellent. Okay, let's try this one. The word is moon. Say the word moon. Now say it slowly. Moon. Moon. Here we go. I'm going to pull down one sound for one circle for every sound. You say the sounds with me. The first sound in moon is The second sound is ooh. And the third sound is moon. Let's say the word all together. Moon. Good job. It's a little bit harder when there's more sounds. How about this word? Nap. Say the word nap. Very good. Now, I want you to say it very slowly. Nap. I just slow my mouth down. Nap. Here we go. The first sound, The next sound is ah. And the last sound is p. We said nap. What's the word? Nap. Great job. Now, I said I was going to show you how we can stretch out the sound. Let's see if we can stretch out the word nap. You can hold up your hand like this, okay? And as I say a sound, I'm going to pop up a finger. I'm going to start with my thumb, so make sure that you're looking right at me and make sure that your hand follows mine. Here we go. Say nap. Good. Now let's say it slowly. Nap. How many sounds did I have? I had 3. Was the first sound. Was the middle sound. And p was the ending sound. We'll be doing both of these. We'll pull some circles down. We'll also stretch some on our finger. Let's try to stretch another one. Let's stretch this one. The word is nest. Say the word nest. Good. Say it slowly. Nest. Ooh, that's tricky at the end. Let's listen to that. Nest. I have to make my mouth say the word very carefully. Let's put our hand up and we'll stretch out the word. Nest. This is a little bit hard to do. Sometimes that finger wants to pop up. I had 4 sounds in that word. Let's see if we can pull the chips down to match. We said nest. Here we go. Nest. The word is nest. Let me see if you're really listening. What was the first sound you heard? Yes, it was a Good job. Tell me the last sound you heard in the word nest. You're right. It was a t. What was this sound right before the t? It was a st. Right next to each other. Those are tricky. So we had nest. Nest. Great job. Let's try another one. What about the word shy? Shy. Wonder how many words sounds shy has. Let's try. Sh. I. Did you think it had 2 also? It sure does. Pull down the circles with me. Shh. I. Shy. Very good. Sometimes when you're working with words with different teachers, you'll have circles and chips and you can pull them down into the box to help you see how many sounds. Sometimes you might not have those, so you can use your fingers. We can do it both ways, okay? Let's try another one. What about this word? Flash. Flash. Wow, that's a long word. Let's pull down the circles first. We're going to say it slowly. Flash. Here we go. Ooh. Ah. Shh. Flash. Flash. When we're pulling our sounds down, We have to keep that word inside our head. If we're not thinking about the word, we won't know what to say to bring the sounds down. The word was flash. What was the first sound you heard in flash? You're right. What was the last sound you heard in flash? Flash. Did you say shh? If you did, that's the right sound. Think we're about ready, but let's do two more. How about this one? Let's do sun. Say the word with me. Sun. Good. Let's bring down our circles. The first sound was s. Sun. What was the middle sound in sun? Ah, you're right. What was the first sound in sun? Good. And the last sound? You got it. Sun. One of the ways that you can tell a new sound is starting is that your mouth will change. Watch me when I say this word. If I said the word house, I kind of made my mouth really look like it was making changes, but you said house. You have to move your mouth to say the word. House. 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 Very good. Thank you, boys and girls, for learning how to segment words today.